Friday night lights or something.
You know, a little like sparkly, glowy looking. Yeah, just some raindrops there, or maybe even the ice melting on the camera. 38 degrees in Boone, 41 in Charlotte, 46 in Rock Hill, and 36 there in Concord. So we do certainly have a decent dose of cloud cover. Look at the speedway there. Still some snow cover. You can see the snow cover in Rock Hill. Can't see it too much from our Charlotte cam, but you still can see uptown. So visibility, not an issue out there this morning. But we do have clouds, and we will have more rain as we head through the day today. Looking at a shower activity to be pretty isolated through the next several hours, but that will ramp up. Most of that rain right now is to the south and to the east of the Charlotte metro. And again, definitely have some clouds out there, but let's go ahead and talk about what you can expect in the way of your rain chances today. Isolated again through the morning. I would say by about lunchtime, and especially heading into that evening commuting hour, we are looking at scattered, maybe even numerous showers, primarily south and east of I-85, but that scattered activity will jump here across the Charlotte metro. So I have your temperatures and your future radar here on your future track. We'll go ahead and step this through time, but pausing it at 5 p.m. A lot of people getting back to work and getting out on the roads after this weekend snowstorm, and we are looking at some showers. You know, the rain is a good thing. Yes, it could slow down traffic a little bit, but rain is going to help some of that ice and snow melt, and also we are in a drought. We have a rain deficit, so we could use the rain. It's not going to amount to too much, but anything is good at this point. You can see quickly that cold air starting to build across the high country at around 5 p.m., so likely going to see a transition, brief sleep, possibly even seeing some onset of snow by 5 p.m. in those areas. It's possible we get some of these flurries north and west there of I-85. Accumulations, guys, not going to be much. It's possible areas north of I-40, though, or even right around it, do pick up a little in the way of accumulation. Hardly, though, going to be noticeable. Temperatures out the door right now. If you are waking up early with us, 28 in Morganton, 41 in Charlotte, 36 in Concord. So actually, it feels kind of nice out there. Temperatures earlier this week were in the single digits, but highs really not moving much from where we're sitting right now. Expect those clouds to be in play as we head through the day, and expect those rain chances to increase as we get into about that evening time frame. Now, temperatures do take a little bit of a tumble as we head through Thursday. 40 degrees with some decreasing clouds through the day. Back to 50, though, by Friday, and then 60s in my forecast as we head in right now, but we will see that ramp up as we head through the day. We're seeing just a couple of showers south and east there of I-85. So we look at these rain chances as we travel through your Wednesday. Isolated activity for the first half of the day, really between now and about lunchtime, but we do see those rain chances really increase around that lunchtime, especially heading into dinner time right at that evening commute. So do prepare for showers. When you walk out, grab that rain gear and a jacket, maybe not layers and layers and layers, because it's 41 in Charlotte again. That beats the near single digits that we had in the Queen City and single surrounding areas as well. 35 in Shelby, 33 in Lincolnton right now. Salisbury over into Statesville. You guys are sitting right at that freezing point with 30 right now in Morganton. So hour by hour, you do see how that rain coverage does increase right around, again, lunchtime, especially by your evening commute. We're seeing more showers here across the area with these temperatures you just saw. I mean, we're in the 40s, and they're not going to move too much. We'll be in the mid 40s throughout much of the day. It's possible some of you get to about 46, 47 degrees, but you do see the majority of us upper 30s to low 40s as we head into your afternoon. So let's go ahead and pause future track at 4 p.m. We're looking at more showers here across the area. Not everybody is going to get in on measurable rainfall, and the most rain that will fall will come south and east of the I-85 corridor. North and west, yeah, you have your fair share, but colder air will start to build in. At the same time, some moisture is still remaining, and this will lead to a little bit of a mix, some sleet and potentially some snow flurries as well. This is not going to be anything like we saw. You might not even notice any accumulation because we're going to have some snow melt, but you could also see a little bit of accumulation for some of our northern counties. I'm talking areas over into Hickory, Statesville, possibly Lincolnton, seeing some of these flurries. Not ruling a flurry out in Charlotte, but that's going to be it. Nothing in the way of snow accumulation. We will have rain accumulation, though, south and east of I-85, picking up about 1/10 to maybe even 1/4 of an inch. Some areas, again, not getting as lucky. We could all use the rainfall. And I know at this point, we could use the